Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the serial number on GIGABYTE G7. To do it, you need to flip your laptop over because the serial number is written on a sticker at the bottom of your laptop. And here is my serial number. It's marked with S/N, which stands for serial number, and it's SN23371 something. And by the way, on GIGABYTE laptops, it includes the SN at the bottom, so at the beginning. So the whole serial number includes the SN at the beginning if there is an SN. But you might have noticed that it was S/N colon SN233. So that second SN is just counted as a part of the serial number. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.